What is up, shipmates? Thank you for tuning in today. We've got a brand new Ducky One2 10 keyless keyboard equipped with Cherry MX Blue switches that we're going to be sound testing today. If you've ever wondered what Cherry's clicky MX Blue switches sound like, you are about to find out. This video will be followed by a full-blown review of this keyboard, but for right now, enjoy the sounds, and this is what MX Blues sound like. So that's what your blues sound like. Let's go fire this thing up now, check out the RGB lighting, and see what it's like in action.